In this video we are going to learn how to make authentic Chettinadu prawn and broad beans masala. Prawns 500 grams, broad beans 100 grams, tomatoes 200 grams, shallots 200 grams, green chili 20 grams, coriander leaves, curry leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, peppercorn 10 grams, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, ginger 25 grams, onion 200 grams, 5 red chili, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as required, grated coconut 200 grams, gingerly oil 50 milliliter. Clean the prawns by removing the digestive tract and remove the vein. With large shrimp, it is fairly easy to devein them. Use a sharp paring knife to make a slit along the back and lift out the vein with the tip of the knife. Cut all the vegetables, namely broad beans, green chili, onions, shallots, and ginger. Blanch the chopped broad beans in boiling water for 2 minutes. Score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. With a sharp knife, later blanch the tomatoes in boiling water for about a minute until the skin starts to peel. Remove the tomatoes and drop them into cold water. After they've cooled, take them out. The skins should slip right off starting from the X you scored. Chop the blanched tomatoes. Dry roast all the dry ingredients together. Later dry roast the grated coconut. Grind them in a mixer together with little water to form a fine paste. In a frying pan, pour the gingerly oil. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon sticks. Chop green chili, curry leaves and saute it. Add the chopped shallots and chopped onion, saute it until it turns to golden brown. Add the chopped ginger. Add the turmeric powder and red chili powder. Pour the grounded paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the chopped blanched tomatoes and saute it. Add salt as required. Later add the cleaned prawns, pour about 200 milliliter of water and cook gently for about 15 minutes. Add coriander leaves for flavor. After the prawns are cooked, add the blanched broad beans. Check for salt and add more salt if required. Cook for about 5 minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. The Chettinadu prawn and broad beans masala is ready to serve.